Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, the selling price of X articles is equal to the cost price of 32 articles. Here the profit percent is 28%. Then your question is what is X? Friends, the selling price of X articles is equal to cost price of 32 articles. SP over CP. SP over CP is equal to 32 by X. Friends, now this is SP, this is CP. Profit is 28% of the cost price. 28% of the cost price. Friends, for 7s, for 25s, 32s, 800 minus 25x is equal to 7x. Friends, 32x is equal to 800 implies x is equal to 25. So friends, our answer is 25 friends. Thank you.